Hello everyone, for this part of this question, we are focusing on part E. Alright, so for this question, find the least value of y and the corresponding value of x. Okay, so as we go through this graph, do take note, the lowest point is actually at this point here, which I'm highlighting, and I'm going to just zoom in, okay, to the graph now. So at this particular point, which I'm going to use red color, we could then actually see that this particular point is very close to negative 3.2, and that will be the y value. And what is the corresponding value of it? The corresponding x value, negative 0.5. And so, going back to the question, then the answer for E part 1 would be the least value of y is negative 3.2, and the corresponding value of this x is negative 0.5. Let's look at the next part of this question, where we want only the x coordinates of the intersection of the curve and y equals to 0. So I'm going to draw y equals to 0 graph now. So going back to this particular graph, which I'm going to zoom out, the y equals to 0 graph is actually this line, the blue color line, which of course you would have recognized that it is indeed the x-axis. And what are the x coordinates of this particular point? 1 here, 1 here. So this point here will be negative 2.3, and at this point here will be 1.3. And I have successfully gotten my two answers, and I will write it down neatly at the other side. Okay, so therefore for E part 2, the 2x coordinate is x equals to negative 2.3 and x is equals to 1.3. Alright, we have come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.